guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. Hot chocolate bombs are all over TikTok. It's a twist to your classic hot chocolate drink. You can use a pre-mixed hot chocolate for the inside, but I always like to make my own. So to start, we have here a large bowl, and in this we are going to add in our cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and dry milk. We are going to whisk this together to evenly mix our ingredients. Next, we're going to make the shell. We're going to pour melted chocolate in our silicone mold. With the use of a spoon or brush, we are then going to cover the entire shape. Then what I like to do is to flip it over and let the chocolate drip for an even coating. Then let it harden inside the fridge for a minute or two. Next, we're going to apply a second coating. We're just going to do the exact same thing we did a while ago. Cover the entire shape and slowly flip it over. Again, we will let this set for a bit inside the fridge. Now that our shells have set, we are then going to slowly take it out the mold. Next, we're going to clean the sides of the shell. You can use anything that has an even surface. Here we have a heated pan. We don't want it to be too hot though because we want to avoid melting the entire shell. So just heat the pan for a bit and then it's good to go. So here we're just going to slightly melt the edge of our bottom shell. Next, we're going to add in 1½ tablespoon of our hot cocoa mix. Then we're gonna add in some marshmallows. You can add in as much mallows as you like. Here I'm just adding 3. Then to seal this, we are going to heat the other half of our shell and then put them together. You can leave this as is or decorate it. Here I'm just adding white chocolate for decoration. And that's it, our homemade hot chocolate bombs. You can place this in a box and give it as gifts this Christmas. It would definitely warm the hearts and give comfort to your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you next week for another Christmas episode. Happy baking!